Hey, welcome back to my show. And today we're going to look at Chinese Lion Head Meatballs. These Chinese meatballs are tender, moist, and they're packed with a savory, light taste. This is a staple food because it could be paired with many different types of dishes and be cooked many different ways. And I do dare say myself, they're better than their counterparts. So let's hop into it and let's see how to make it. Alright, to make lion head meatballs, you need about 1 pound of ground pork. This is a lean fat ratio about 7:3, or about 500 grams. To this, we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of water. And we're going to mix it incorporate fully well with the meat. And there we have it, well incorporated water into pork. 4 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of ginger, grated and minced. 1/2 cup to 1 cup of finely minced scallion. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. About 1 cup of finely minced water chestnut. These ones I'm using here are from a can, and which should be about 12 to 15 water chestnut pieces, which you'll have to take time to finely mince them. You also need 3 eggs. Now we're going to mix what we have here before we add the final ingredients. You also need about 1 cup of panko bread. And we need 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now we're going to go incorporate all this. Now the next part is when we're going to start forming balls out of the meatballs. If it doesn't hold its shape, add more panko. Alright, we're ready to make our meatballs. Alright, let's start making our meatballs. First, it helps that you have a non-stick mat like this. And you also need about 1/3 cup. This helps accurately measure out your meatballs. Alright, we're going to grab about 1/3 of the meatball mixture. Dump in your hand. There we go, we have one. And there we have it, 11.5 meatballs. We came short on this little one, but we'll just save this for the kids. Alright, let's head over to the cast iron pan and start sealing these meatballs. And then we're going to steam it to finish it off. Once your steamer is boiling, we can start steaming our meatballs. Again, we're going to steam it for about 40 minutes. And we'll see you back. Alright, 40 minutes lapsed, and let's take a look inside. Boy, these look so delicious. Let's take a cut inside and see what it's made out of. This is a really fantastic recipe. Meatballs are light, tender, and savory. These meatballs are extremely versatile and can be prepared in numerous fashions and pair well with many different dishes. For me, I love the classic steam method, and it pairs well with rice. So if you found the content of this video interesting and informative, hit the like button. If you want to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button. If you have any thoughts, comments, suggestions, put in the section below. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Until next time, peace out and happy cooking.